If you're looking to melt that midsection or tighten your tummy, I've got some of the best flat belly foods to boost metabolism and battle bloat. What's up guys, I'm John Basedow and this is Buzz 60. First, salmon. It's rich in uber healthy omega-3 fatty acids which help make metabolism more efficient. Just go wild here because farm-raised salmon isn't as high in good fats. Fiber-filled quinoa is a protein-packed grain which can help avoid those bloat-building blood sugar highs and lows. To help prevent cancer while providing calcium for muscle contraction, low-cal leafy greens like spinach can't be beat. Berries provide essential nutrients and antioxidants with fiber in a calorie-compact package. Sticking with fruits, an apple a day can keep belly fat away. Soy in its many forms like soybeans, edamame, and tofu is a very effective weight loss aid for people. Finally, jump-starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast, like eggs, has been linked to eating less calories throughout the day, so you can start revealing those chiseled midsections you've been working on in the gym. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.